Welcome YouTube, this is One Mantis Phoenix tuning in here. We have the official Edit My Photo Please group on Facebook, and this lady Amy wanted her friend to be tagged next to Post Malone to see what he would look like as a reference for next year when he is officially meeting him. But obviously you can see the photo resolutions are really low. So we're going to take a look at what we have and see if we can even match it. I will put the other image on a separate one just so we can compare that you have 900. No, impossible. Okay, fine. Let's see if we have to transform this to get it closer to that image size. What could we do? I wonder if we could HDR tone this and help. So we are using CS6 for this experiment. Okay, just go 0 saturation. No. Don't press enter in HDR toning. Shadows are fine. No. Super strength. Okay, you can see the light here, which is also reflecting on the back of his head. It's actually softer, but that's better. Okay, gamma. See that now I can see already the smile is going to be a bit small. Let's give some vibrance just to get the max. Let's try and cut his neck as well. I don't see this working well. Okay, size difference. Not terrible, but as we bring it up, we'll see a slight. Let's try and match ear to ear. There we go. Nah, it's not actually bad. It's just when you zoom in that it looks very strange. Come on. Okay. When we zoom out, it will look more in character, I guess. Because at the moment, what can we do to bring these two in to a similar light? Skin color is not matching. Okay, paste back to the Facebook. I don't recommend they zoom in. You can see the mistakes then, but when you look at it from here, see, even if we bring it here, it's okay. It's definitely visible. But I mean, his friend could print it on a small A5 and say, yep, it happened already. So that was a quick, easy fix. We just transformed his head as well with Ctrl T. And once we had all the separate layers, we can flatten it. So let's also just save that. Thanks for watching YouTube. Let me know what you want to do in Photoshop. We can try and take a look. I'm going to be trying to do as many random things as possible from helping everyone, just to trying to get better in general. You have also got another feature of Ctrl Shift Alt S, where if you need to save it to the web under specific conditions, you can optimize it for that, whether it's specific colors or a color amount. You know, if you need only, let's say, 128 colors, it's still too many for this. 32. If we do that, you can see it's much more similar, but you can still have many colors with 32. So 16 brings it even more closer together. And then the variance between the two cannot be that much. So if we had to take this and compare it, let's also just go with, does it have to be a GIF? Yeah, because we changed that. We didn't change that. Oh, PNG 24. I swear that did something of its own there. Okay, so we couldn't bring down the color then. If we matte it, no. Okay, here we go. 16. Oh, what? That was it's interesting. Lol, it has to be between two. That's hilarious. Let's do it. No. Okay. Okay, we go Control Alt Shift S again. 16. Can also just bring it out. So that looks a bit murky. You know, it looks okay. Just go with 3. But yeah, you're welcome to let me know what you want to do, and we can try almost anything. Thanks again for watching YouTube. Catch you soon.